You.
Boy, you know about the whoopies. You know, boy, I'm not whooping it. Boy, let's go. Man, give me out.
What's goody? Alright, so obviously the video you just saw was a fake. Why am I even saying this? But basically, the reason I did that, because I wanted people to click on my video. But, oh, no, I don't know. Sorry, I had something on my throat. But basically, sorry for the clickbait, but, you know, trying to grow the channel, 50 subscribers by December. And that was really obnoxious, but I kind of want you to, like, you know, maybe drop a like. So yeah, I think this channel isn't really gonna be ping pong, so you know that's alright. But because you know it's ping pong life, so it's like my life too. So I might change the channel name. So if you want me to change my channel name, comment below. And my name is Calder. If you guys don't know, so if you want to like incorporate that, you know. So yeah, be sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends, and we out. More clickbait to come.